Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to create a new account on Monzo. So guys, first thing that you will do is open the application Monzo, and then from here this will be their homepage, and tap on I'm new to Monzo, and then from here guys, just provide your email address, and then from there guys, after this they will send an email to you to continue with the process. So now go to the email, just tap on tap email app. And then from here, guys, just tap on the Monzo email that sent us, and then tap on login to Monzo app. And then after that, it will redirect you back to the application. And then from here, you have to choose your country. So, guys, some countries are available for this application and some are not. As you can see, when I tap on Philippines, you will see here that Monzo isn't available in my country. So I have to choose a US country in order for me to continue. And from here, guys, they have a lot of options to choose from. So, guys, when the country is available, you should be able to see like this, sign up for a US account or sign up for a UK account instead. So, guys, just choose any of it. And after that, you will have here let's get started, and from here you will choose Monzo account or joint account, and then after that just tap on next, and then from there you need to provide the basic details about you, and from there guys just provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.